All right, welcome to our game. Today, boys and girls, we are going to be on a scavenger hunt. We are historians, and we are going to be using what we've learned about the Westward Expansion, and maybe doing a little research to find the answers to some clues and uncovering the secret message. So this is how this is going to work. Here on this Google Doc, your team has been shared the names of everyone in the class and their email addresses, and the clues that each person has been emailed a clue and the answer and the secret number and letter. So what you are going to do is you are going to come up with the answer either through maybe what you've learned through the read aloud or maybe your own reading and research. And you are going to email that person and with your answer and see if you're correct. If you're correct, they will tell you you're correct, and then you can type the answer in over here, and they will also be giving you a secret number and letter for you to jot in there. And then at the end, down here, once you've filled in all the clues, there's a secret message that will be revealed, right? So, for example, Sophia is going to give you a secret number and letter, and you're going to fill it in wherever, let's say if Sophia gave you 14 and, she told you 14 was Z. You'd fill it in there until you get the whole secret message filled out. Now, here's the thing. You might not be able to figure out the answer to these clues without a little more research. You might need to click on one of these links. The clues in yellow, you can go to this link and find the answers there. And for the clues in green, you can click on this link and find the answers there. For sure, all the answers are at these links. So if you're not entirely sure of your answer, or maybe whoever you emailed said, no, you're wrong, try again, I would definitely go to one of these links to try and find the answers. Now, here's the thing. You are going to be on a team with a team of at least 5 people. So I would start off, if there's 27 clues you got to figure out, by helping each other out with the answers. I would maybe start some comments here. And you can go to this little comment box here, and you can start making some comments on here. It's going to pop up a comment. You're going to be able to comment here, and you can chat about that. Or maybe you just want to get to work right away. Alex, you already know the answer to your clue. You can write it down here, okay, along with the secret letter and number, okay? But then I would chat with your team using this. It's not popping it around, but when I share this with you, you'll be able to use the comment feature right here. Add a comment, okay? And we would figure out like who's going to answer which questions. So maybe if let's say if I was on the team with Alex, Alex is really good at like the Trail of Tears questions. Maybe he's going to answer 3 or 4 questions from the yellow. Or let's say, hey, I know a lot about different parts of the Westward Expansion. I'm going to answer most of the green ones. However you want to divide it up, make sure you're chatting with your team about that, all right? And at the end, of course, you're filling out the secret message, and then you're going to email me, right, to tell me the answer. So here's the thing. Like I said, everyone has been emailed a clue and the secret letter and number, okay? So here is the email. Let's say I would get it if I was a kid. It says, below is your clue and secret letter and number. You can't tell anyone your clue unless they email you and give you the correct answer. Except for your team. Obviously, you can share your answers with your team, right? And that's okay. But you got to be prepared to respond to the email to let the person know if they are correct, and you have to give them the secret letter and number. So here is the clue, right? Let's say this is a clue. Who is the general that defeated Santa Anna in the Battle of San Jacinto? And the answer is Sam Houston. And then here is the secret number and letter. So if somebody emails you and has the correct answer, you can give them the secret number and letter, okay? So let me just show you how that works in your email. Let's go back to the main page. So over here in the waffle, let's say I'm over here in the document, I can actually, or I'm in the classroom, go to the waffle and then go to Gmail, right? And that's going to take me to my email. Takes a minute to load up, just be patient. All right, and then here's my email that Miss Williams sent me. I have my clue, my answer, and then the secret letter number, okay? So now anybody who emails me, or anytime I have figured out a clue, I can go over here and click on the plus sign to compose, right? And type a message to them. Now here's the thing, typing out letters and addresses is a little complicated. Here's a kind of a cool shortcut. This is what you can do. You see that the email addresses are all here. So one thing that you can do is click on the email address like I have here, and there's a little box that pops up and it says send to, and when you see this pop up, you want to go to send an email. And right there, it composes, it's already addressed. So you just have to say to Alex, let's say, answer, let's see, scavenger hunt, guess. Okay, and you always want to include in the subject line something here so that they know this is a scavenger hunt. If you leave it blank, maybe he won't want to answer it. So like, hi Alex, I think the answer is Sam Houston, right? Please let me know if I'm correct and give me the secret number and letter. Thanks. Me. No, you said your name, right? And then you're going to click send, okay? And so Alex is going to see this email and he will reply to you, right? I'm going to X out of that because I don't really want to send that email. But let's say I got this email. Hi, is the answer Sam Houston? I could reply, right, to the email and say, yes, you are correct. Here is the secret letter and number, Z28. And then I would get the answer and I could go back over here and type in the answer that I now know and the secret letter and the number until your whole team gets it filled out. You fill out the secret message and then you email me to let me know. I'm going to be giving out some mystery prizes. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but I think I have some ideas. I think it's going to be good. All right. The winners are the 3 teams that solve the most clues and email the secret message. I'm going to say by 6 p.m. Let's see if we can get this done in 7 hours. I know that not everybody logs on at the same time, but if you could try to be on between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. on Friday to do this work, it's going to be really great. I'll take a look at 6 o'clock, and if it seems like nobody's quite filled it out yet, maybe we'll give some more time, but I think we should aim to do that so that we can have these winners of the scavenger hunt contest, and I will be sending you a prize or a choice of prizes. I haven't quite figured out what those prizes will be, but I think they're going to be good. All right. If you have any questions, as always, you can send me an email, right? M. Williams. Okay. Please don't send me an email that's saying, I'm confused. I don't understand anything. That tells me that you didn't watch the video. Okay. Make sure that you do that. And then when you have a specific question, you can reach out to me and I will answer them. I can't wait to see how you do in the scavenger hunt. I think it's going to be fun. You're going to work with your team. So let's get started.